Okay, so now how do you apply this new skill that you learned about WordPress? Now I've taught you how to post a blog in WordPress. I have also shown you how to prompt ChatGPT or Gemini so you can generate blogs. I've showed you how to use Canva and how to publish the blog using, and then at the same time, I showed you how to optimize this blog so that you know what is SEO optimized blogs. So for now, how do you apply for this? Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to show you my Upwork profile. Okay, so let's check how many people are looking for people who can do the skills that you just learned today. Okay, so I'm in my Upwork. So you just need to first off is you need to sign up in Upwork. If you don't have yet, go and sign up. It's upwork.com. Okay, this link. And then in here, okay, let me just show you how it looks like. First is my profile. Okay, so my profile, don't mind my profile. I've been 13 years in the industry, so it looks like this. Now once you have this, now you start searching for jobs. Okay, you start looking for jobs, and to do that, okay, so first off is now go to search. Okay, on top you should see the search tab, and then let's look for blog posting because that's what you know already, right? You have seen how it looks like. Okay, so let's see. So there are a lot of jobs. So for example, this one, blog writing, social media post, content, and SEO optimization, light administrative tasks as needed. So the rate is from $5 to $10, and the skill level is intermediate. Okay, so let's look, and these are the qualifications in order to apply for this job. So you have to read it, create a scheduled post, 24 posts per year, promote blog content, draft and edit blog post, optimize post for SEO keywords. Now you know how to do that. The internal links, yeah, that's the one I showed you where you have to link an article inside the article. Okay, share blogs on social media, and then create, okay, let me discuss this in the social media course. Okay, create and post additional content. Okay, yeah, so it says here several instructions, and it says hourly. Okay, so yeah, that's one job. And then another, AI content writer needed for blog posts. Okay, now we know how to use the chat gpt or Gemini to generate blogs. Okay, if you don't know how to prompt, then use GPT to create the prompt for you. Okay, so here it's for another article writing job, and it's $12 to $38 per hour. And then quick SEO boost, post blogs and improve local rankings. And then another one, 800 to 1000 word blog, product and lifestyle blog writer. Okay, content creation for car dealing. You know, when it has a blue check mark, this means that the client is verified. Okay, so they paid ads inside Upwork so that they can come first. Okay, humanize AI written blog content. Okay, AI driven social media creator. Okay, so there are a lot of opportunities for blog writing and blog posting. Now let's try to check on WordPress VA. WordPress VA means like you simply assist in blog posting, making pages as well. I'll show you that also in another lesson. So here we have another virtual assistant, content creation and social media and WordPress. So if you're a starter and you live in the Philippines, you see in the Philippines, our minimum rate is, I'm not sure, is it 500 or 600? Okay, let's just assume that a daily wage in the Philippines is 600 pesos. Okay, now in case you get hired here, it's $5, And then the exchange rate plays around 57, 58, 59. But let's just say 56, okay? So let's multiply that to 56. You have 280 per hour. And then let's say, oh wait, 5, wait, I got lost. 5 times 56, you have 280 pesos per hour times, let's say, 8 hours. So you have 2,240 if you get a full-time job for this, okay? And of course, as you upgrade your skills, um, you also increase your rate. And as a beginner, I highly recommend that you go for hourly jobs so that it's guaranteed that you are paid. Okay, so you see, there are a lot of jobs for VA for WordPress. Technical VA needed, WordPress plus virtual summit experience, marketing and operations assistant, virtual assistant, WordPress SEO operation support. I'm looking for reliable, detailed virtual assistant to support multiple growing business and digital marketing. So just in case, you will also be provided their SOPs, what task do you need to do so you don't get lost as well. So just, so you just need the basic knowledge of all these things. You saw the dashboard, and you learn from it. You go to YouTube University to get more videos, watch more videos about this, because there's a lot. Okay, so that's how you apply this skills. Go to Upwork. This is just one platform. There are many other platforms for job hiring. Okay, thank you.